Can you ride a train through the clouds? This is the highest tourist train in South America and one of the highest in the world, so high in fact that the train carries oxygen tanks and even has a nurse on board in case of altitude sickness, and some passengers really do get sick from the lack of oxygen. If I had to describe it in one word, I'd say weightlessness. The train is called Tren a las Nubes, train to the clouds. Imagine this, you rise to over 4,000 meters above sea level, that's about as high as Mont Blanc, the highest peak in Europe. Then the route winds through the Andes, crossing viaducts, bridges and tunnels built back in the mid-20th century. I remember the moment the train car rolled onto the La Polvaria bridge and I looked down to see nothing, just a drop, fog and ringing silence. At first it's a bit scary, then peaceful. You just watch the mountains dissolve into the clouds while your breath quickens, partly from the thin air, partly from awe. By the way, it's not just a train ride, it's a full journey. The route includes stops in villages and scenic viewpoints with chances to taste traditional foods and discover the culture of northern Argentina. I highly recommend going at the start of the season while it's still quiet, and definitely sit on the left side if you want the wildest views.